Right, we proceed with Turnkey. Turnkey is a concept that builds, create and transfer. Okay. Types of turnkey project. The first one is general accounting system. It is designed to serve common users. Okay. It can be used in retail, it can be used in manufacturing, it can be used in most common business. Okay, that's why it is called general accounting system. Okay, design in modules where we have basic normal modules like accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll. Okay, inventory, general ledger, when it is able to generate financial reporting and also monitor the fixed assets. Now the second one is the special purpose accounting system that target to special industry or special segment, which is not common. Okay. For example, oil and gas. Okay. Highly sophisticated machineries, special business like gold mine. Okay. Petrol exploration. Okay. Airline industry, even though for some people it is common, but it is still considered as the specialized industry. Then we have office automation system. Office automation system used in manufacturing. Okay, where we have specific robotics technology to produce, like for example, cars, to paint cars, to fix the engines. Okay. Traffic control system for daily use, right? But in some cases, human capabilities are still being used. For example, if we discuss about the traffic control for airplane, they still use human, but human also use the radar system and also the wind gauge system. Okay. Okay, for example, given here, word processing, spreadsheet, and desktop publishing. Right, word processing for report purposes. Okay, where we key in reports statement in an organized manner into segmentation. Spreadsheet, where we gather or we keep data, especially numerical data, and arrange according to column and lines. Okay. We can manipulate the spreadsheet. The final example given here is desktop publishing, where you want to prepare the report or the banner or any anything relates to the arts and design. Okay, then backbone system. Backbone system provides structure to build on with processing modes program. Okay, backbone system provides the basic system structure on which to build. So it is a basic structure, okay, whereby the primary processing modules are created. Okay, vendor design and program for user interface to suit the client need. So client will request from the vendor to create a basic structure. Okay, for example, the ERP offers a vast array of modules, so for dealing with almost every business process. By selecting the appropriate modules, customer can create a highly customized system for use by that particular firm. But we have to bear in mind that to customize a commercial system is quite expensive and consume time as well. Okay, so to create a fully functional ERP system may take about 1.5 years to 2 years to be created and installed, and it costs, as mentioned, the tax is about 10 million until to 100 million. Okay, and it is very expensive. Vendor support system, a custom system developed and maintained for the client. So vendor create the system and vendor will maintain a system for the client. So the client or the customer doesn't have to worry about the system. Once the system is created and installed, so they can use, and if there is anything, vendor is responsible. Okay, I will continue with the next video.